Builder IO versus Flutterflow in-depth comparison. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to compare Builder IO versus Flutterflow and in depth. So first of all, if we show the purpose of both of the programs, like for the Builder IO is visual CMS and UI builder for websites, apps, and e-commerce. On the other hand, the Flutterflow visual app builder for Flutter based mobile or web apps. And on the tech stack, the Builder IO integrates with React, Vue, Quick, Angular, Shopify, Headless CMS. And on the other hand, the Flutterflow is built on Flutter exports clean code, and the targeted users of Builder IO is marketers and front-end developers, low-code teams, and the target users of Flutterflow are developers, designers, founders building cross-platform apps. And the output of Builder IO is component-based front-end headless UI blocks. And for Flutterflow, it's a fully functional cross-platform apps, iOS, Android, and web. And on the customization segment, the Builder IO is drag and drop plus custom code blocks like JSTS and React. And on the other hand, on the Flutterflow, it's drag and drop plus custom Dart code and APIs. And for the code export, the Builder IO supports code export on React, Quick, etc. And on the Flutterflow, it supports full Dart Flutter project export. And on the hosting section, the external like connects with your stack or CMS, the Builder IO, and for the Flutterflow, it's Firebase, Superbase, and REST or GraphQL APIs. And the offline capability of the Builder IO is limited. It depends on front-end integrations, and the Flutterflow also supports offline natively. And the AI features for the Builder IO is AI generated components, content suggestions, and for the Flutterflow, it's AI assistant to generate UI functions queries. And the pricing for the Builder IO, it starts free, paid tiers for enterprises and integration accesses, and Flutterflow has also free tier plus pro like $30 per month teams and enterprises plans. And the learning curve of Builder IO is easy for marketers, moderate for developers, and for the Flutterflow is moderate to steep if working beyond UI builder. And for the deployment, Builder IO use with existing code base like Next.js, and for the Flutterflow, it can export full apps or deploy directly via Flutterflow. And is it open source? The Builder IO? No. Proprietary SaaS, and the Flutterflow is partially open source, like code export is open, core platform is SaaS. And let me tell you which is best for what. Like Builder IO is best for headless CMS team and e-commerce websites, Shopify, headless, and web apps with reusable design systems, sites needing A/B testing, personalization, visual CMS. And for the Flutterflow, it's best for startups of and founders building mobile apps fast, and MVPs and production ready Flutter apps, and no code or low code mobile dev teams, and Firebase or Superbase backend apps. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.